Welcome everyone. Let's get right to it and start our live streaming for today. So we have Christmas sell-off for AMC. The price is still continue to go down. We have a discount price for AMC because the price is still continue to go down toward the $3. APE is still pumping almost around the 46%, as we discussed it today in our pre-market update. We discussed APE alerts. We said we're gonna have a test for the near the breakout zone around the $2, and we got near the $2 around the $1.90, and we got rejected. We're gonna discuss APE. We're gonna discuss AMC, of course, MULN, Tesla, CEI, CTMX, IMPP, and Nike, because those stocks has been requested from us on the live streaming watch list. So how everybody doing? If you can hear me, just say yes, and let's kick our live streaming for today. How's today, Elite? Is it green or red for you? Hopefully it was green, because it would be a really good end for this crazy volatile market for this year. We might see a recovery for the next year if we have a turn around or reversal from our support area for the SPY. You see it here. Let's from our live streaming watch list, we're gonna discuss AMC, APE, MULN, Tesla. Request a stock from our hunter on Patreon, CEI, CMTX or CTMX, of course, Neil. We always make mistake with ticker symbols, no worries. IMPP for George and Nike for Lynette, of course. George just said APE is going to be converted to AMC. Would be a crazy volatility, of course, for APE. That's why everybody going to buy APE and forgetting about AMC, and the price of AMC went down because of that, because everyone who are holding AMC going to sell AMC and going for APE, because this short squeeze for APE is pretty like easy to squeeze for APE. And the funny part is that AMC is going down and APE going up. So the price will meet in the $3.33. So for APE, we might see the $3. And for AMC, if we're going down, we might see the $3. So the price will be the same. Maybe at the end of this year, this would be a crazy number. 3 on 3 for APE and AMC. Let me know if you agree or not, because this will be a crazy coincidence, or maybe manipulation, or the market maker want the price to set for APE and AMC at the same price. For AMC right now, we got support. We got back around our support, as we discussed it today in our live alert for APE. As we said it here, we got our support. We said above the $1.50, I think, yeah. Then we updated here for the pre-market chart analysis. We said the $1.60 should be the support, and we held it perfectly. We got this huge wick when the market opened. You see this for APE, a huge buying pressure that show us that someone buying AMC. Let me see how much the volatility here. We got almost 200K worth of volume, that price gravitating up and reversed. So the $1.63 is our support, and potential resistance around this area, the $1.90. The $1.90 will be the breakout zone next time when we close at least 15-minute candle here. We're gonna have a breakout toward the $2 and the $2.34 for APE for the coming days after Christmas. So Merry Christmas, everyone. The price for APE might see the $3. And yeah, so we have to watch out for the breakout zone. We might see it today. You never know, because APE is pretty volatile. We already did almost 50%. We already tested the $2 actually like in the pre-market. So we might retest before the market close on the power hour. Yes, I know, Elite. CEI is bleeding. As we said, we don't have a bottom for CEI. Let's talk about MULN. We're gonna discuss MULN, brother. Hi, Tony. Hi from England. Where from England? London or Southampton or I don't know, like in the south of London or south of England. Let me know, where are you, man? We got Grow Big. What's up, brother? We got Stevie here in the house. What's up? So let me just bring the other stock on our list. Let me just check this one. ORIC is pumping 24%. Yeah, we have a breakout from the $5.46. That's why I'm watching this one for a $7 profit taking like trigger. AMC, let me just go to AMC. The volatility is kind of low for AMC. We are down 9%. As we said, we're gonna have a test for the gap around the $5 here. If we got rejected, this means the price will continue to go down, and that's what happened for AMC. Right now, we need to overcome this level of resistance around the $5 or fill the gap around the $5. This area of filling the gap, the $5.12. So we need to clear the $5.12 in order to have a bit of volatility back for AMC. Otherwise, any price below the $5 is mean the price will continue to go down toward the $3.33. But let me just show you the support that we should hold for AMC in coming days. Yeah, we got the support right now. Let me just bring my 1 hour candle. Yes, you see it clearly. We have a huge buying pressure around the $4.22. Let me just go in the big picture again. Good smaller picture. Just trying to see the hot spot. Yeah, we got a hot spot right now around this area. Yes, the $4.20, the $4.26. This would be a turning point again to confirm if we're gonna have another sell-off toward the $3.33 or another try to break the $5.12. This will be like an important level to hold. It's not strong support like the $3.33 if we visit it, but this is a turning point for confirming that we stopped bleeding or we stopped having another sell-off and someone buying and holding the price to go further down. So the $4.26 should be the support to retest the $5 breakout zone. This area should be a breakout zone, the $5.12 and the $5.30 area. So this is a testing area. Even if we go higher here for AMC and the price have a wick then close below the $5.12 is mean a rejection and the price will continue to go down. We need to have a clear breakout and hold above the $5.12 to continue toward the 6 and the 7. This is the most important reaction for AMC after Christmas before the end of this year. So watch out for this price action. Okay, so AMC is moving right now. Next up, we got MULN. MULN is pumping right now 23% or 23 cents. And right now we're doing almost 4% up. So let me just update my level for MULN. The 26 is the breakout zone still, so I put my alert there. Any price in this area is still a testing area. Even if we broke from this ascending line, we already have the volatility for MULN. The price gave up when we test our resistance. That's why we gave up and the price went down. So still, the 21 is the support to hold for MULN. And the price between the 21 and the 26 is accumulation area. So the 26 will be a pivot area for MULN to go higher toward the 35 cents before the end of this year. So put alert around the 26 cents for a breakout and another alert for the 21 which is a sell-off toward the 19 cent. So watch out, the 21 cent should hold. No closing candle below the 21 cent for MULN. Next up on our list, we got Tesla. Tesla went to our support, as we discussed before, the 120. And see what's happened. We have accumulation now. The price is holding above the 120. So this should be our support. City Hall on the East Coast. Welcome, welcome, Tony. Wherever you are, welcome, brother. Look with me closely. So Tesla, I have a turning point right now around the 120. As we said before, that 120 should be a kind of a reversal area, starting to reverse for Tesla and stop the bleeding that we start doing after we broke this support. I think it happened around the 22nd of November, and we did almost 25% for Tesla. Imagine, in just 1 month. This is really crazy. 25% for Tesla. This is a big drawback. So we should have a reversal right now and start to at least test the 146 and maybe even test the 167. So if we hold above the 120 for the next week, we're gonna have this reaction. The price will start to reverse, testing the $1.38, gravitating down a bit, then continue toward the $1.67. We don't want to have this reaction dipping below the 120 because this will give us another price to go at, which is the 91. So I will watch for the 91 if we broke the 120. So this will be a really juicy bottom for Tesla, for my opinion, below the 100. But the 120, we should have a reversal first around this area in order to see what's gonna happen for Tesla, because right now is kind of have a struggle to go higher again. Look what's going on. We have a bit of reversal, selling pressure, a reversal, now selling pressure. So the turning point should be around this candle, the 129. This will be a turning point for Tesla. After we clear the 129, we might see a really good genuine buying pressure and going higher. At least around this AMA, the 150. CEI, what's going on with CEI? 17% down. We jumped around the 16th of December, almost 139% or even 150%, but the price gave up before even the reverse split. We went down almost 66%. Where the price will go? As we said, now we don't have a bottom, so I don't suggest to average down or buy in the dip because it's a bit risky. What I suggest is waiting until seeing the reaction nearing the $1. So if we go nearing the $1, we want to have a reversal just above the $1. We need to hold. Then we're gonna have a reversal. If we have a conjunction area above the $1, is mean a reversal will happen and will be an entry point for us. Otherwise, I will wait for a retest for the $3.46, which will be the first signal for strength for CEI to squeeze again. CTMX looking interesting to me. Look what's going on. This one is about to do something really interesting. Denise set the flag on APE. We're gonna check it right now. Thank you for the heads up. Look with me closely. CTMX has been requested from us and the watch list that we did for the live streaming on our Patreon. Who asked CTMX? Of course, Neil Dorling. Hopefully I just pronounced your name right. So Neil asked about CTMX. Thank you, Neil. This is look really interesting chart for this stock, because the price has been squeezing for this stock from the $1, and we did almost 50% last November, and now the price is about to go higher again after this huge wick. This shows us there's a huge buy-in happened just when the price dipped below the $1.40. So there's someone buying this stock and preventing from going below this support. And we have some interesting triangle forming here, and many tests happened every time around this ascending line, and we got rejected. So there's a potential for squeeze this stock if we overcome this ascending line and this resistance around the $1.67. As you see it from the arrow that I just draw, this reaction will happen. Price break this ascending line, going toward the $1.67. I'm still waiting because we might get a rejection. If we get rejected, it means we're not ready to go to squeeze yet. However, we need to do higher lows, then continue to go higher, and next time we're gonna have a break. The break that will happen over the $1.67 will trigger the squeeze to go toward the $1.90 and the $2. Continue toward the $2.58 if we don't get rejected around the $2. So there's two profit taken around the $2 and the $1.90, and then the $2.58 for CTMX. Next up on our list, AMP. Everybody knows this stock, the energy stock that been squeezing before, and it's been on the Reddit most short squeeze stocks for days and weeks. So we got some requests from our Hunter and Patreon regarding this. Yes, George asked about that. So George, listen closely. We getting near the bottom for this stock. The 25 cents should be the bottom, double bottom actually. So we have a test will happen pretty soon around the 25 cents. I will be waiting until we have this reaction, reversal and accumulation, then boom, the price will reverse. After the reversal, we're gonna have our profit taken around the 30 cent first, then the 33 cent. Why the 30 cent first? Because the 33 cent is the breakout zone and the rejection area and squeeze area. So we have to take profit first around the 30 before the rejection area around the 33. Then after we clear the 33 is game on for IMPP to squeeze again toward the 47, and of course below the $1, the 87 cents. So watch out for this bottom. We need to hold it, because if we don't hold it, is me continuation, boom, down. I don't want to hold any stock going down without respecting our support. This mean is not my stock. There's many other stock. Come on, there's almost over 10,000 stock you could choose from. Why you choose losing stock? Otherwise you short it, okay? So why are you holding stock that you know that is going down? Of course, if you know, you will never hold it, because that's why having a strategy, strict strategy, you exit, you enter with those signals. You save your time, money, and even time for saying why the trade never go respect my strategy. Sometimes we get fake out. We don't care, because if we calculate the probability, we end up getting money on the long picture. So as we said, the 25 cent is the support, the 33 is the breakout zone. What's going on? Oh, Nike is doing really great. It's still holding after the huge selling pressure that happened in the market. As we said, last earning was pretty nice for Nike. That's why the price jumped 15% in one day. Yes, as we said, around the 20th of December, we got huge earnings after hours. Then the pre-market went high, and the next day, and the price get near this breakout zone, the 118. So what's the game plan? I'm watching, because after we clear this resistance, the 118, we're gonna continue for Nike toward the 138. So I'm watching Nike closely, and the support for Nike for this year to confirm this reaction is holding above the 100. The 100 is the psychological level for Nike to continue toward the 138, and maybe even the 200. We go to all-time high. This would be a good reaction. However, if we go in a big picture, let me just give you all the scenario here, because if we got rejected around the 118 and the price went down, or the market went in a huge bearish market, it means Nike will continue to go to visit this bottom. Like the best bottom for Nike is the $63. So I'm watching right now. If we got rejected here and we don't respect even the $82, we're gonna go to the 63. The 63, I'm gonna load heavily on Nike, because this will be a squeeze area and reversal area for Nike. Otherwise, we're gonna continue to go higher and take our profit around the 138 and maybe even the 200. So whatever the scenario, whatever the market, we could actually make money by being patient and let the price come to us, never run after the price. Let me just check what's going on. We got Tesla on the first list here on the APE Wisdom. Let me just check the most shortest squeeze stocks on our list. I think APE will be the first, maybe. No, APRN actually the first. Yeah, APRN, this is really good because APRN is squeezing, guys. Nobody asked me about APRN. We already discussed it in our Patreon. We said there's a potential for APRN to squeeze, and it did squeeze. Yeah, we did really nice profit taking. We went until the $1. APRN is squeezing now. Yeah, we got no, right, we still didn't clear the breakout zone. Yeah, so we didn't. That's why I didn't get alerted. That's why I said what's going on. So the $1.23 for APRN will initiate the squeeze for the next week if we held the 98 cent. Oh man, this is really juicy. This one look really pretty nice for APRN. If we hold the $1, we're gonna have the squeeze right around the $1.23. COSM, buy in now. YKLM, buy in now. What's gonna happen after Christmas? Oh man, another squeeze for COSM. Let me just check COSM. It's kind of interesting stock because it's been squeezing before, and we might see another squeeze for this stock. Let me check. BBY is coming back for most short squeeze on Reddit. We got GameStop the 3rd. We got AMC the 5th. Camber Energy, CEI the 6th. After that, APE, of course, the 6th one, of course. The SPY is hitting the scan as well. RMED. We got a huge list of coming back stock. So COSM, 9% down, 9% down. Oh man, look how crazy it was. Everybody want this reaction for CEI. You see, we got the reverse split here. 1 to 25, and the price got squeezed over the 100, almost 200% after the squeeze price. So usually reverse split have bad effect on the stock because it get diluted, like what happened to CEI, the price went down. However, for COSM, it went up and squeezed. So sometimes it we have like a unicorn. This kind of stock is called unicorn. So it's like sometimes fundamentally things happen for some stocks and never happen for other stocks. That's why I don't like to resemble any stock with other stock. Like AMC, when it squeezed, many people came and say, okay, this stock PBY would be the next AMC. Then another people talk about other stock. They said AMC, the next AMC. there's many factors. Even if we go back in time in another parallel universe, we can actually make the same scenario as it happened for AMC. It's impossible. There's many factors that come to play. Anyway, so for COSM, we got kind of support now is gravitating above it, above the $5, I believe. Yeah, is a bit like volatile for this stock to draw a support and resistance. However, we try to make it as accurate as possible because it makes no sense. So we have a clear breakout zone or squeeze area around the $23, which would be a breakout zone. And the support or the bottom should be the $2.84 for COSM. Otherwise, the price after that is a bit hard to see some kind of interesting resistance or support, because after this reaction is make no sense. This is not this kind of FOMO buying squeeze, like the chart, it make no sense after this reaction. You see this? So we go back and we talk about the support. The right support after even this unrealistic price action is the $2.84 as a bottom. We need to hold it for the big picture to have a squeeze toward the $23. So the $23 is the most important level to watch out for a squeeze, and the $2.84 the most important level to watch out for short opportunity and a big selling off once again. However, in the meantime, we need to hold the $5 in order to continue to go higher the next time. Yeah, I spot it. Here we're gonna have the mini squeeze, the $9.20. Yes, the $9.20 will give us a push toward the 15 and the 22 again. So yeah, the $9.20, the first resistance to overcome. This is the first support, the $5. So we got two level near support and near resistance, the $9.20 and the $5.15. So here is accumulation area. You see, this is accumulation area for COSM. Any price between the $9 and the $5 is accumulation. Any price break from the $9 is a bullish momentum for squeeze. And the price break the 23 is official squeeze. Price break the $5, bearish momentum. Price go below the $2.83, a sell off. Simple as possible. METX PHE1 Exella elite. Always ask for 3 stock. Always ask for 3 as a pack. Good one, brother. Good one. Yes, exactly. When it hits support, it go crazy. Yes, Denise. No problem. KLM, no problem. My pleasure, my brother. KLM, regarding, I think you ask about, wait a second. Regarding COSM, where to buy. As I said, if you want to buy, it's risky for this stock. How we could buy? Any price accumulating here and holding above the $5, we can actually buy. For potential, a breakout from the $9 and going to the 20. However, we be really extremely careful. That's why if we broke the $5, I'm exiting, because this will be a short open heavily. So what I suggest, the best indication for strength is breaking the $9.20. So if we break the $9.20, we said the breakout is mean, strength is mean, there's a huge buying pressure, is mean we could enter for a bullish momentum to take us until the 15 and 30. when we say support and breaking the support, is mean like opportunity to short, and it's not good to buy. So always when I say red or I draw a red line, it should be our stop loss, and never actually buy above the red line, near the red line as possible, or above the orange line, which is our breakout zone, not below. Below we short. This is simple as possible. That's why we put an orange line, and we put red line, an orange line, and of course a green line, which is profit taking. Green line, profit taking. Let me just check BBBY, where BBBY end up to be, because it was around the $27 just 3 months ago. Now where BBBY, around the $2.52. Imagine if you just listen to the people who just pump stock and tell you, yeah, BBY will go to the 100. It was here around the 27. So that's why we suggest always take a profit on the way. Don't just hold. This is crazy what's happened to the market. Many people make a lot of money by just buying stock like this, but they get lucky, of course, because they're not trader. The price go down, up, then go down on them, and starting to lose money. So if you check your brokerage account, you see it up 500%. Then the next day you see it 250%. You know what's gonna happen? You're not gonna sell, because yesterday you're already up 500%. So you think that you already lost 250, but you don't think that you already gained 250. You already have a profit 250. So if you don't have a strategy and exit plan, you have this kind of mindset. You got the bias thinking, or what's it called in psychology, the anchoring effect. So you have the anchoring effect, like when you go in the grocery store and you buy something. The store, like people, they do this kind of trick. They just do a discount 20% for whatever thing you want, like a new T-shirt or a pair of sneakers. And they do this trick on Black Friday as well, 20% off, 50% off, but they never actually did any discount. It's just they put a higher price before, and the original price is below it. So whatever the sneakers been sold before, let's say $50 sneakers, and the Black Friday they did the price before is 100, and the price you pay today is 50. So you say, oh, 50% discount. But if you came yesterday, in effect, it happened even in stock market. So never get stuck with this kind of the effect of anchoring. If you have exit strategy, profit taking and exit, you never get stuck in this kind of situation. So for BBY, it was around the $27, and the price went down and continued to go down and down and down. So now it's still, we don't have a bottom for BBY. The price is still continuing toward the $1. That's why we don't suggest to enter for BBY after we broke the $4.48. You see it clearly here. After we broke this area, the price continued to go heavily down. So yeah, BBY is most shortest squeeze now. Going on with GME. I think is better looking than AMC, I think. Let me just check. Around the $20. Yeah, we broke from our triangle. Clearly we broke it. Yeah, we dive right back down. We going toward the 15, people. We going toward the 15 because we saw the $19, a new low for this year, I think. Yeah, new low for this year. Yeah, new low officially, the $19. The $18, $18.50. Yes, for GameStop. So the price might continue to go down the coming days after we test the 22 maybe, and going toward the $15. So watch out for this dip for GameStop around the $15 and the $10, of course. Those two bottom should be visited for GameStop if the market is still bearish. Let me just go back to the SPY and discuss if the market still continue to go down, what's going to happen for the other stocks. Because for the SPY, if we visit this bottom, it means GameStop will go to the $10 officially, because the SPY is kind of the mover right now. Yes. So this is the SPY. Last time we discussed the SPY, we discussed this channel. We said this is a bearish channel and we need to clear it from above in order to enter a bullish trend. If unfortunately we have this test and we got rejected right around the 15th of December. It was a pivot area for the whole market actually. Then the price went down and now technically we are below our resistance, the 389. And now we got another support to hold for the next week, which is this area. If we broke it without even a test, it means the price will continue toward the 362 support reversal area as well. When we said the reversal, it means the market will be in bullish trend just for a few days, because those area is not strong support. The strong support, as we suggested before, is around this box. This will be the strongest reversal for the market. Sharp reversal, like 15% point up or 20%. Let me just check how much from this dip. Yeah, 12% up for the SPY. So this is a sharp reversal, not like here. You see here we got just 1%, 2%. That's why I always say soft support and strong support. So when I say weak support is mean a reversal for 2% or 1%. Strong reversal support is mean we're gonna have a reversal for 12%, 15%. For the SPY is pretty big, okay? Don't compare the SPY with APE, because APE is up almost 50% in one day. For the SPY is take month to go 50% or even years. So don't compare the SPY with APE or the other volatile stocks. Naim ask about SATX. What's going on with SATX? A great question, brother. Great question, because if you know here and a new trader and you never watch our videos, you have to hit the notification on like buttons and never miss any of my future update, because we discuss SATX, one of the volatile stock that pumped heavily, then went down. That's why my brother Naim asked about it right now and said what's going on. Today is down almost 7%. Naim, the volume is down. Oh, it's crazy. The volume, it was before over the 10 million when we squeezed here. Look, as we said here, and it was a really good trade, 100%, and now there is no reversal. The price dived down heavily because the short is in control. So last time we discussed SATX, we said there's a potential for a reversal for SATX. The reversal happened around this bottom, the $7.60. We discussed this bottom and we said we're gonna have a reversal. We have a reversal here exactly around the 16th of December, and the price went went 55%. So it was a good trade because the price got reversal here. This was a good trade, 50%. As we said, 50% is really huge. If you want to 50% for Tesla, you have to wait for days, or you have to make option trading or leverage trading to get 50% in one day. However, for this stock, it got this reversal in one day because we visited this bottom as we discussed it, Naim, the $7.60. And guess what? After that, we accumulate, we broke it, and we dive down. Here, we don't have a hold here. The price went down because we have low volatility and we closed this candle. See this shooting star? The price went down and this clear a short position open around the $7.60. That's why we said this is our support. Exit strategy. I don't want to enter. I don't want to hold because we broke our support. This is a good way to exit from those kind of stocks. Because if you don't have a support, you know what's gonna happen, Naeem? Psychologically, you just hold and wishing for the price to go up, and even worse, you just go on YouTube or on internet and you just search for news regarding the stock. I don't like to have this mindset like will be not in control, you know, because when you searching for news about stock is dipping down and you don't have a strategy, you'll be kind of gambling here. However, if you have a strategy like this, support, exit, support, broken, exit, support, hold, enter. Simple, man. This is really simple. But many new traders don't have strategy. That's why they get stuck in this kind of trade. And the other worst thing is when we break this support and you don't have an exit strategy and you hold, okay, losing 5%, 10%. Let me just calculate. Yeah, 10%, and right now 13%, and you're still holding because right now you are down 13% or 10%. But if you're still holding and you don't know where the support is, the price might go down even further down, 20%, 30%, 50%. So the more you wait, the harder the exit will be. Exit, okay? But 20%, 30%, 40% is really hard to exit because you say, okay, might as well I just hold. Maybe the price will go higher. And this is not a good way to trade. This is not trading, okay? This is not trading. This is investing. You just invest in a stock and you forget about it in 1 year, 2 years. But here we do swing trading, day trading. It means you enter, you exit. If that trade is not good, just take your loss and exit, okay? So as we said, SATX, I will not trade it right now because we broke from the support. I will be watching for breaking the $7.60 once again. Otherwise, I will not touch this one. It's a bit risky right now because we don't have a bottom. But this is really interesting, Naeem. I would put alert around the $7.60 for a potential retest. Okay, where's the alert? Oh man, look, I have almost 394 alerts right now set. Imagine, mini alerts. So if you want mini alert as mine right now, I have the premium version on TradingView. That's why I have too many alerts. So this is really good in order to be alerted on any stock that jump or going down, so you never miss any trade. The link in comment section below if you want a discount on TradingView Premium or Pro, okay? This will come in handy if you want to be a professional trader and never miss any trade. So GameStop, like I said, ARDX hit our scan and we got alerted right now. Let me just go to ARDX. ARDX hit our scan. What's going on with ARDX? Oh man, it's bumping $2.38 for ARDX. We pump. So now there's a potential for a good trade for ARDX toward the $2.75. Man, this is really good. We have a drawback for the price. We held the support around the $2.17 and now we are pumping. So now is game on for ARDX. We might see a power hour for ARDX to go toward the $2.75. This is really good. Let me just, 15%. And how much we could lose if the trade doesn't go our way. The $2.17 should be our support here. The $2.17 should be our support. Let me just change this. Boom, I put this down around the $2.16. If we held it, it means we're gonna see a pump until the $2.75. But yes, I think, yes, we need another pump. Wait a second, let me just check. We might see a fake out now. Yeah, we need to clear the $2.39 to have a breakout. Still, let me just check the volume. The volume, yeah, is good, around the 4 million. We need to clear the $2.39 to have a breakout. Now we still kind of have a Of course, Nico, ATXS. Neil asked about BYSI. Denise, CEI indicator on RSI. Possible support for CEI, we're gonna check. Thank you, George. Thank you, George, from Montreal. Welcome, brother. Mark, HTGM reverse split yesterday, and it did 10 million public offering at the $7.7. Okay, so the stock that do public offering is not good to trade, Mark. It's not good to day trade, okay? It's good for investment, but it's not good for day trade. We don't have price action for them. Let me just check HTGM because it did the reverse split. Let me just check it for you, my brother. HTGM, 16%, 17% down right now. Yeah, we did reverse split 1 to 12. Yeah, I don't like it. The price continued to go. No, man. It doesn't look good. We broke the support now, the $5.67. And we don't have a breakout around the 23. So it's not good. It's not good. This one is not good. It's not good. The volume is light, 280. No, man. Just stay clear from it, my brother. Mark, stay clear from HTGM. Even if we squeeze, I don't like it. Even if we go tomorrow to $100, I'm wrong. I will admit it. I will be wrong if it go to 100. Look, man, this is madness. This is madness. Clear short open. The $5.67 exit is not good, man. This one is not good. ADCT. Oh, Denise, double top. Let me just check this one. ADCT from Denise. He said there's a double top. Let me just check if we have a double top or double bottom. 9% up. Okay, where you see the double top, man? And let me just check. Reverse head and shoulders, possible head and shoulders here. Now I don't like this one. I don't know. The volume is a bit light. We have a bit of test around our AMA here, possible rejection, a red candle forming. I don't like this reaction here. So I don't like the chart, okay? This one doesn't look good to me. I don't know, man. When I see the chart, I just like it or I hate it, just from one glance. Denise, we already talked about APRN. We already discussed it in the beginning of the video. Let me just check ATXS. For the people who just came here, we already talked about APE. I'm gonna discuss APE in a bit, and AMC, because both of them are squeezing. One squeezing up and the other one squeezing down. Yeah, so for AMC is squeezing down for $1.40, and as we said, for AMC we need to hold the $4.26 as a support to have a breakout around this critical area, the $5.12 and $5.30. Otherwise we're gonna have the $3.33. The $3.33 will be the best bottom Christmas gift to give to your loved ones. If the price go down, this is the best gift for my opinion. Not financial advice, of course. For let me just check APRN once again, 10%. Okay, APRN looking really good, man. It's look really good. So you know what I'm gonna do right now? I'm just put the stock that looking good down. So APRN have a potential for squeeze. ATXS, I don't know this one. Let me just check. Oh man, this one is good, but the volume is light. I don't like the volume profile. Is really light. So I don't suggest to trade this one. It's a bit expensive, around the $14. So no, this one, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good either, even though there's a potential for this price to go until the $19 at least. Then maybe we got the 31 profit taken. But still, don't like the volume profile. We might have a volatility for the next week, but at the moment I don't suggest to trade it. SATX again, we have another bottom, so I will watch for the $7.60, otherwise I will not buy it. GameStop, as we said, there's a potential for buying the dip around the $15, so I already put my alert, so I just take it off. BBY, as we said, I will not buy it until we clear the $4. Now is a bit risky. Let me take it off. COSM a bit volatile. 9 is doing great. 9 is doing great, brother. Look, we hit our kind of profit taken, the first profit taken around the 12.83, so doing really great. 12.83, and now is our support. So 9 is should be on our list. Let me just put it here. There's a potential for the $15 for the next week. 9 look really strong, really strong after clear the 11. If you remember last time we talked about 9, it was around this breakout zone. We said the $11 is our breakout zone and entry point, and it was a clear indication for strength. And now we have another support above the 1280, of course. So we have two profit taking, the 15 and 18 for 9, looking really juicy. AMC potential swing trade, yeah. The bottom should be the $3 breakout zone 5. So yeah, maybe. What else we got? PRTY, no. Let me just bring APE. So we have APE and ARDX, of course. So put APE, ARDX. Those stocks really juicy for me. Let me just check APE. What's going on with APE? $1.74. So it's still holding. There's accumulation area happening here for APE, man. Look, there's something about to happen. First, we discussed APE today around. After we did the live streaming watch list, we did this live pre-market chart alert. As we said, we need to hold the $1.60 breakout zone around this ascending line, and profit taken around the $1.90, the $2, and the price actually kind of hit our profit taken and gravitating down after this breakout zone. This was a really good trade here, and the price went almost. Yeah, we did 10%. We hoped for 15%, but you see, always take profit. 10%, it was good for today, even when the market was red. As we said, the $1.60 is the support, and now we got another triangle forming. Let me just adjust my chart, because we have to do update for our chart every second, man. We have another chart forming now. Let me just check. Boom. This one, no, doesn't look good. So let me just, what's going on? There's something about to happen, man. There's something about to happen. So be ready to snatch this opportunity. So there's some, yeah, we might see a breakout around the $1.81 next time. Yeah, so I will watch it. And we need to hold this kind of support here. Yeah, so this APE, there's another triangle about to break. So already put my alert around the $1.80 for a breakout toward the $2. So I'll be watching, and the $1.55 is our support now. If we broke it, it means the $2.28. So I will be watching. We got our AMA acting as a support here, so this is a good indication for strength. We need to hold this support. APR and ARDX, $2.37, gravitating down a bit. So that's why we said is not a clear entry now until we have the $1.39. Let me just put it there. Yes, here we might see a breakout. Yes. So yeah, we might see a breakout for ARDX. I'll put it on my watch list. Let me just check again what's going to happen. Lucid, we got Lucid. Press the like button on the way in. Don't forget this in order to let our live streaming to be seen for many new traders as possible. This is the least thing you can do for the Hunter tribe here. We got another question from Naim. Lucid, of course, is going down, man. It's worse than new right now because we have a new bottom. Let me just check Lucid if we have a potential for a trade. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hopefully everybody have a green day today. And green year, hopefully. And if it's not green, we have to learn from our mistakes and make the next year more greener. Always we should have hope. Always we should learn from our mistake and have a kind of growth mindset, because this is trading. You know, we don't want to stay at the same kind of level. We always want to be better trader. If you did this year, let's say 10,000 profit, you have to shoot for 100,000. If you lost, let's say 100,000, we have to shoot for at least making back 50,000 in profit for the next year. Always shoot for more improvement, more growth. This is what we learn from trading. This is the best thing that actually like improve even my life, to think this kind of growth mindset. Okay, and if we lost today, is not the end of the day. Okay, there is always another day to improve. Lucid, please. Already put it. Lucid, what's going on? 2%. I don't know right now. Yeah, as we said, the $8.83, it was the support that we should have hold for Lucid, but we didn't. Let me just, without any hold up. Yeah, we got another level. We got another test and try to reverse. Yeah, this level we should watch out for. Yeah, the $7. Let me bring my alert area this down. Thank you for bringing this up, brother, because I forgot about Lucid. My alert was really high around the $9, but there's a potential for reversal here around the $7, I think. Yeah, the $7.07 to be exact. Here we have to have a breakout and a reversal potential from the $7 until this area of profit taking the $7.70. So always take profit. If we enter there, yeah, 8%, then we're gonna take other 13% around this profit taken and squeeze area, the $8.95. Hi Luis, Merry Christmas, brother. Merry Christmas. It was really great hunt for us for AMC. This is my gift for you, brother. This is my gift for you for AMC, okay? Merry Christmas, brother. Yes, okay, Elite, of course, sorry I forgot about your ask. You ask about MATX, PHUN, and Exela. The one that really interesting for me to check is Exela because it already squeezed before Elite. Let us check Exela once again because Exela been squeezing before and now is pumping down. So let me just check Exela because there's interesting level to watch out for maybe. Let me just check. You see it clearly that we are in down bearish momentum after we got rejected around the 40 cent. You remember when the price got squeezed here around the 17 cent until the 45 cent. That's why Elite, my hunters on YouTube channel and even on our Patreon, ask about Exela. You know why? Because Exela did 100%. So there's a potential for another 100%. Yes, that's why we have to watch out for Exela, another pump for Exela. So Elite, watch out for this level. Let me just check. Now is 9% down. Okay, we have another updated level. Let me just lower this down there. We have a test for 3 times. Oh man, this is really interesting. Thank you for bringing this up, Elite, because I really forget this one as well. Okay, so we got the 10 cent is the kind of breakout zone for the next week. Yeah, we need to have at least 1 hour candle to confirm the breakout for the next week above the 10 cent. We might see a huge jump again. Let me just check at 11% and 30% around the 14 cents. So 14 cent and 11 cent 50. We should take our profit after we clear the 10 cent. You know why we should take profit? Because we got our EMA will act as a resistance and a huge selling pressure will happen again around the 14 cent. And the squeeze area for Exela is the 17. So the 17 would be a really interesting level to test and overcome. The other one, let me just check MTX pretty quick for brother. Let's see if there's a potential for MATX. Okay, let me just take Exela, MATX. Okay, so MATX will stay away from it because the volume is light. The short is controlling this stock. You see what's happening here is a bit risky. I will not suggest anybody buying this stock. We might see another reverse split because we already did the reverse split here. You see 1 to 30 and the price now dipped below the $1. So we might see another reverse split and price get diluted once again. So I don't suggest to buy it. It's kind of really bad looking for the chart. Cheers, Denise. Cheers. Thank you, brother. Great question. Is APE gonna gap up after the close? Oh man, this is the 1 million question, you know, because we got this yesterday, and the price went down when the market before the close, and then we got a huge pump for APE. We might see this reaction once again if we got this level. Let me just check again. I'm watching this one for, oh man, this one is about to squeeze right now. I was waiting, man. I was waiting for days for this one to squeeze, and now squeezing, where when I do my live streaming, oh man, this one, oh man, I hate this one, man. When you wait some stock, look, we got this test, we got the second, the third, the fourth, and this is the sixth time, man. This is the sixth time I'm waiting for this stock to squeeze and get rejected every time. So I'm watching now. I'm still, I don't trust this stock. So we might see a huge pressure and squeeze for this stock. If we held above the $8.30 this time, we might see another 15% before the close. So I'm watching this one because someone buying. Let me just check the volume. The volume is still light, 4K for this candle, 3K, 4K. So yeah, the volume is light, so I don't like this breakout. We need at least 100K for this breakout. So that's why I'm not ready to buy the stock yet. Wait a second, we might see a volume coming in, but yeah, we got 2 hours before the close, or 1 hour maybe. Yeah, we got 2 hours. So yeah, there's a potential for this one to squeeze. So I'll put it on my watch list. Let me just put another alert for confirmation for a breakout for this stock around the $3.37. Interesting. We might see a huge squeeze for mini stock before the close, because we got Christmas coming and people shopping now for stocks. So we might see a huge pump for mini stocks. So I would be my eyes would be closed on the stock that have potential to squeeze. Look what's going to happen to APE. We got a huge selling pressure now from this triangle. So there's another triangle. There's another squeeze for APE if we clear this triangle from above. This reaction will happen. Boom. When we clear the $1.81, boom, we're gonna go toward the $2. Otherwise, if we don't clear this level, boom, the price will gravitate down toward the $1.50 for the test. If we don't hold it, we're gonna fill this huge gap around the $1.30. So watch out. This is it for APE. This is it, brother. This is it. Merry Christmas, Naeem. Merry Christmas. Hopefully you have a green year next year. Sabon Yunus. We already went through CEI in the video, so you can rewatch our video because we already talked about CEI in depth in our live streaming. Because CEI was on our live streaming watch list. You see here, we always do live streaming watch list before our live streaming to cover the stocks for our hunters on Patreon. First, we got AMC, APE, MULN, Tesla, CEI for EQT, one of our member who asked for CEI, then Neil asked about CMTX, then AMP, Nike, so APE, and we discussed all of those stocks first on our live streaming. So that's why I told you to watch our live streaming in the beginning of our live streaming, so you can rewatch our live streaming. Live streaming will be uploaded after we finish our live streaming. Okay, so don't worry. And the next week, the same time will be at 7 p.m. CET. Okay, I think will be 1 p.m. in New York time. Okay. RDX going down a bit. I have to put the other one on my watch list, which is VKTX. Bedro, HYMC, MAT, we got a huge request. Brandon, SINT, Neo. So we got many requests for MAT, so we're gonna go for MAT first. Yeah, MAT is still in our list first here. Yeah, we got near our bottom, as we said before, the $1. The $1.04, you see it here. We got a wick exactly around the $1.08. As we suggested, the $1.04 is the bottom for MAT. And you see it clearly that we, after we clear or we have a test here near the $1.63. This was the strongest support for MAT to squeeze. After we have a huge selling pressure, you see here, this is confirmation for short coming in. So as we said, if we held the $1.63, we could have actually squeezed toward the 2 and the 3 and the 4. $1.63 broken is mean short came in heavily. Now we need to hold above the $1 for this, the end of this year. Otherwise, we're gonna have another sell-off. So the $1 should be the last support to have a confirmation for reversal and the test at least for the $1.25. This will happen next week. This should be the support. $1.25 tested first. Last time we discussed NEO, we said that there's 2 levels that we have to watch out for. Not 3, not 4, just 2 levels. The first one is the $9 and the second one is around this area. I think the 15, yeah, the 15 I think. The squeeze play list, we got yeah, the short and APE. You see here, APE is the 5th, AMC is the 1st. Yeah, everybody buying the dip for AMC now because yeah, AMC getting near the $3.30. Yeah, as we said, the 14 is the breakout zone. That $9 is breakout zone down. So the $9 is the bearish momentum. If we broke it, it mean continuation toward the $5.75 bottom. If we held it, is mean accumulation, then retest the 14 squeeze area for NEO. So now this is a technical area of test and undecision phase for NEO. If we hold, is mean accumulation, breaking 14 and going higher. If we didn't, is mean price continuation toward the $5.75. Simple as possible. This is the big picture. When we have undecision, so we got some news about the split for AMC. Oh man, so some people actually selling AMC and going to GameStop. This is a big play, man. This is a big we're gonna discuss this. We're gonna do a video about this. This is really interesting. This is really interesting. Some people selling AMC, and APE actually selling AMC and buying GameStop. This is a big game changer. You know what's gonna happen? This will be a really a good a good trade to do. Let me just bring GameStop, because if we have this reaction that everybody's selling AMC and buying GameStop, is mean GameStop will squeeze. If we go there, man, will be a really good squeeze for GameStop. Yeah, the $15. So if the price go to the $15, and as you said, everybody will buy GameStop because and the news of the split, because we don't have a confirmation for AMC regarding split. Let me just check if we have the news. No, we don't have the news regarding the split, not confirming yet. But if we have the confirmation for AMC getting split, it's right above when the GameStop going toward the $15, man, will be the best squeeze area for GameStop, because will be a perfect reversal. Boom, $35 easily. Let me just check how much we can do. 100% easily for GameStop. So the 35 would be tested first, and the 15 would be the support. So yeah, 15, 30. Buy around the 15, sell around the around the 30. if we have the news regarding the split for AMC. And of course, AMC will go directly to $3.33 before the split. If this happened, we're gonna have another sell-off like that happened around the 22nd of December. This will be interesting play to see what's gonna happen. Hopefully everybody have a green day and enjoying the Christmas with the family for this weekend. And we make sure that we're gonna do a video on Sunday, even if it's a Christmas, to update you guys about the price action for the next week and prepare for the market for the next week. So because I have stocks on my watch list, the price target for them. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna do the video on Sunday at 8 p.m. CET. So watch out for this video. We're gonna discuss even crypto. And hopefully that was clear and informative. And as we said, the live streaming for the next week on Friday will be around the 7 p.m. CET. So watch out for this live streaming. Hit the notification and like button so you never miss any of my future update. Put any requested stock or even a question regarding our live streaming in the comment section. And if you have any question regarding joining our Patreon or Discord and how everything's work, you can actually send me a message directly toward trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. I just send it here in the live chat section. And please never reply or if you see someone in the comment section pretend is me, please try to report it to YouTube, because we got a lot of spam pretended as me, telling that have Telegram or some kind of asking question, or you see anything on Patreon or you see it on the comment section on YouTube, just report it, because it's not me. And I don't have a Telegram, I don't have numbers, I don't send any numbers. The only thing you can contact me with is my business email, which is trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. So sorry for the spam that going on every day and going heavily on YouTube right now, because I delete, they come in. I delete, I come in. This kind of AI spam, is kind of automatic. So the best thing is to do is to educate our viewers about the spam, and try to report those spammers, because I can't do this by myself. So help me out, because every time I delete, they come in again. So the best thing is never reply to them, never engage with them, never send anything to anybody, ask for any information, because it's not me. The only way, as I said, to contact me is with my business email. I don't have a Telegram number. I never sent any phone number to anybody. So please be careful, be safe, and as well, be patient. Let the price come to you and never run after the price. Merry Christmas, everybody, and see you on the next update.